Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel. My name is Winter, and today I'll be going ahead and doing a sort of fall makeup tutorial. This is my go-to like going out eye look. I don't usually put the lipstick on, but for fall it kind of makes it a little bit more fall vibes, I guess. So I went ahead and put that on and it looks very beautiful with the eyeshadow. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this makeup, then go ahead and please keep watching. Alright, so I have all of my face makeup on. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys into my eyes so that you can see a little bit better since this is an eye tutorial. So the first shade that we're gonna go with is the shade Cayenne. And we're just gonna go ahead and put that on the crease, and then we're gonna blend all the way. The next shade we're going to use is Ember, and we're just going to use a flat style brush from the palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And also a few things that you guys could do that I didn't do is you could spray the brush with like a water type formula, like either a setting spray or just a thermal water, and that would make the foil pop out more. And you could also put powder under your eyes so that when you get fallout, it's not hard to get off of your face. And next we're going to go ahead and use the shade On Fuego. This shade is also going to be worked into the crease as well, just to kind of darken it up a little bit. And again, we are going to blend it all out using the same fluffy brush that we used in the beginning. Next, we're going to use the shade Ashes, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and we're going to put that in the outer corners of our eyes, just so we can darken it up a little bit more. I'm also going to bring that under the eyes just to give my eyes a little bit more dimension and also to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. And last but not least, we're going to go in with the shade Ember again with that flat brush, and I'm going to just put that all over my lid one more time just to make it a little bit more shimmery and metallic. And for mascara, we're going to use my ultimate favorite, L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. And of course, I'm just going to put that on my lashes. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And I'm going to be using the number 66 Comfort Matte Lipstick from Urban Decay. I don't know, it doesn't really have a name down here. I'll show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like underneath. But first I'm going to go ahead and put on my lip liner, and it is the shade Naked by Urban Decay. Alright, so lipstick is on, that's pretty much it, and yeah, I'm done with the tutorial. Pretty fast, pretty quick. It usually only takes me like 10 minutes to do this eye makeup, so, well, it usually only takes me like 5 minutes to do the eyes. That might be pushing it even a little, maybe sometimes like 2 minutes. So it's nothing hard or crazy, it's just, you know, pretty simple, but it looks beautiful and flawless, at least I think it does. I love it. And if you have blue or green eyes, it definitely does make your eyes pop. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!